Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for clicking to watch my video. In today's video I'm going to be making moi moi. This is the second moi moi video on my channel. So yes, I'm going to be making moi moi, so I'll be letting you know how I go about it and how you can also, especially how you can tie your moi moi wraps. In this video is going to be very detailed. So yeah, if you would like to know how to make your own perfect tasty moi moi, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, let's get started. So yeah, I already soaked my beans for about 5 hours and this is like 8 cups of beans. Like, it's a lot. I always like to make bulk moi moi. Yes, so and to peel after 5 hours, to peel I'm just going to be using my heavy duty blender to just use the pause button, and that's it. Nothing serious. Just, I think I have this process on my channel already, so this part will be sped up. I'm just going to be rinsing the shaft and voila. So for my pepper mix, I'm going to be using Tatashe, which is red bell pepper. I'm going to be deseeding as usual. I'll be using Tatashe, Chilli, that's Shombo, habanero, that is Rodo, and a lot of onion. For a rich vibrant red color in your moi moi, you want to be generous with your Tatashe and Shombo. So it's time to introduce my seasoning. I'll be starting with my dissolved seasoning powder. That's no powder. I already dissolved it. Next is my melted butter. The next thing I'll be putting is my vegetable oil. Yes, my vegetable oil. And now the next thing will be my nutmeg. Guys, nutmeg makes a lot of difference, and a lot of crayfish powder. This is my crayfish powder. And lastly, I'll be putting my salt for taste. So I'm going to be mixing everything together. Then I remember that I forgot to add my eggs. This is optional, but I really like doing this. You should give it a try. So now I'm going to be adding my smoked mackerel fish. I'm going to be pouring it and mixing everything together, mixing everything into the batter. Give it a good mix so that the batter the ingredients will incorporate, and then I'll just give it a good mix. And then I'll start with, I think I noticed that the vegetable oil was not enough, so I added more, because you want to have this fluffy and this texture. So I tried to make this. Okay, this is going to be very slow because I want everybody to know how to do this thing. I find out that, like, fine, before I started using leaf, I just thought it was too difficult, but then when I got the trick, I just realized that it's so easy to do. So what you want to do, I'm going to try as much as possible to explain while showing you. So please always make sure you wash your moi moi leaves. Please use warm water if possible. So to achieve it and to get it right, this is the trick. Yes, so when you are folding your leaf, make sure that the last layer covers the stem. As you can see what I'm doing, can you see? Before folding, so the first thing to do is to break the stem. Obviously you need to do that first, the back of the stem. Then you fold it and make sure that the last layer of the leaf is covering the back of the stem. Does that make sense? This I showed it about 5 times so you can understand it. And then when you're ready to cover it, just use your middle or whatever finger to press down this front, and then fold the first layer, the second layer, and turn it back, so everything is going to meet at the back. So let's do this again. Take your leaves, the back, make sure you break this stem, like as you can see me do. just not everything, just like a part of it where you're going to fold, yes, and then fold one, right, yeah, 1 2, and then this last one, make sure it is covering the stem at the back before you fold it up. I think this is the best way I can explain it. Then you put your butter, whatever you have to put everything, and then just use your finger to, like, I think this is so explanatory, guys. So yeah, I think I did about 5, just because I want everybody to know how to do this thing. It is so easy, because I realized that the moi moi you make with the leaf, it has this really nice taste. So everybody should try to know how to do it. So, and you can just rewind and replay again just to see how I'm doing it. Follow my technique. So it's so easy, guys, so easy. See what I'm about to do? Can you see? And bring it back like kachiko. It's that easy. I think this is the last one. Fold 1 2, the last one, cover the back of the stem and fold. Simple, very simple. And then put your hand into the leaf to make the cone, like to create space. Pour your butter. It's just really easy, guys. Can you see? 1 2, and then to the back. Voila, it is that easy, guys. So yeah, now I'm done with the whole. I'm done. This is about 50 pieces, and after, yeah, for the pot I put my banana leaf. That's the first thing I put, the banana leaf, and now I'm just pouring hot water by the side, and then I'll be using the banana leaf to cover it. And it doesn't really, it needs steam. Your moi moi needs steam to cook, so I didn't put like a lot of water. We're going to put it on the cooker and cook on low to medium heat for like 15 minutes. This is about 15 minutes later, and we are done. This moi moi, very tasty. You can have it with anything. You can have it alone, by itself. You can have it with gari. You can have it with pap, custard, name it, bread, anything. And this is it, guys. It was really like tasty. This is like, it was really tasty. So please, if you are new to the channel, I have a lot of videos on my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe, please. If you've watched this video to this point, please just click on the subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me, and don't forget to like the video as well. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.